Okay, I'm Morris Jackson. I design and custom build model stamp mills. I've been associated with the mining industry for the last 25 years, either panning for gold or building models or restoring stamp mills. I've been involved in restoration of 5 actual full-size stamp mills over the last 10 years. So I decided to build these models. This is a 10 stamp mill model, and how they get the name is by the number of stamps they have. This is actually 2 5 stamps put together. The majority of the mills, are the maximum stamps in one set is 5 stamps. These stamps weigh about 1,000 pounds a piece. They're operated off of a cam here with a tappet, which when the cam turns, raises this tappet up and drops the stamp. Okay, this is the stamps. They keep going up and down, and they turn as they rotate. They move the ore around, so they keep crushing. There's water flows through the mortar box here, and when the ore gets small enough to go through this screen, and this screen can be various sizes, it flows through the screen onto this table. This table is cloth with a screen on it. The gold is heavy, so it settles on the screen, and the ore runs off the top of it. In the old days, they used copper plates with mercury, but they can't do that anymore. Okay, this is a rear view of a 10 stamp. You can see the 3 bearings. They're all roller bearings, and there's 5 cams here, 5 cams on this side, and they operate each set of 5 stamps. This is a feeder. The ore goes in here. The ore has to be 2.5 inches or less to go through this feeder, and then go into the mortar box slot back here, which lets it go into the stamps. Remove the feeder table. Sorry. And this shows you the motor operation. Okay, this shows you the motor operation. Have a switch here, as a small motor, as a jack shaft, which operates the single bull wheel. Now some stamps, mills, 10 stamps are divided in the center here, so this side and this side run separate. That way they can shut each side down, work on without stopping the whole mill. In that case, they would have 2 bull wheels with the 2 idlers. And this is the idler arm here, which engages the stamp mill. Now we're going to run the stamp mill. It runs off a 110 volt motor. Start the motor up, it starts this jack shaft, and that reduces the speed down, and this also reduces the speed down over here, so that the end result is about 50 to 60 RPMs in real life. I engage the idler. So the cams turn and the tappets. To tell you some of the things that this is made out of, this is all handmade, all custom designed, handmade. The cams are made out of plexiglass and painted black. The tappets are made out of spools, thread spools. The upright shafts are made out of arrow shafts that I had when I was an archer, and the stamps on the bottom are made out of CO2 bottles. This is plexiglass bearings with a metal bearing molded inside of it. And here's the back stays, and as I said before, this is a jack shaft with a motor and a switch. Okay, here's the parts we have on the what I call the front side. The frame here is made so you can take these nuts loose and the shafts actually come out, so you can change these out if you need to, just like a real mill. And you saw the tappets here. This is the jack shafts, which is used to engage, to hold the stamps when you want to shut down or start up. It holds 1,000 pound stamps up. And this is a mortar box, which you saw the screen. These stamps on my model are made out of CO2 cartridges. So everything here is handmade. The only thing I bought basically was the motor and the light switches. All the pulleys, everything. If you look at the other, I have other videos on this same site. I have 5 stamp mills, and right now I'm presently building 11 5 stamp mills to take to Nevada City in June the 23rd weekend for sale. And also designing and building a 20 stamp mill, a 25 stamp mill, which makes it a 100 stamp mill. 100 stamp mill is kind of like the the mother of all stamp mills. So I'm building 20 of these 5 stamp mills, and I'll have 100 stamp mills for display on the Tucson show in February. They'll be for sale as one whole unit or individual units with certification that it was the largest stamp mill built.